Okay, and if you look, there is water over here dripping still from the top of my window. It's starting to make the paint bubble.
It's dripping here.
It dripped down here onto my desk, onto my stuff, the window frame, dripping more, and it's really wet here. This is above the space, the basement that looks like it's got a lot of water in it.
There's water on the wall.
There's water on the wall. It's on my electrical items. Ah, it's dripping on me. This window is not properly installed or sealed right. I'm now seeing mold on the inside of my window based on the water that is dripping down the side here. My window dressings are wet. My brand new IKEA window cover that I just installed on this, like not even 3 weeks ago, is completely soaked. And it is messing up your house. You need to address this, because this is in my bedroom and I am very susceptible to mold, and I cannot mitigate the mold as long as it's going to continue to drip. This needs to be handled soon, especially since you're raising my rent, which you're not going to be allowed to do if you don't fix it.